This is Hollyland Lark Max, and this is a wireless microphone system that has a lot of features, and here are my favorites. First of all, the Lark Max is incredibly versatile. It's an all-in-one wireless microphone solution that is super easy to use, and it can be used in a variety of different ways. The Lark Max comes in this wireless charging case that houses two transmitters with built-in omnidirectional microphones and one receiver. That means that you can easily conduct interviews or just use one transmitter for one subject. What's cool about this system is that all the devices are always ready to go. You just open up the case, they're always charged up, they turn on automatically without the need to do anything, to do any manual pairing or anything else. Also, the transmitter operates for approximately 7.5 hours, extending to 22 hours with a fully charged case. The receiver functions for up to 9 hours, and it supports simultaneous charging and usage. The Lark Max is compatible with cameras, smartphones or computers thanks to a 3.5mm and a USB Type-C port for multi-device connectivity. You can attach the mic to the subject using a clip or a magnet, or use an external lavalier microphone. The transmitter has a power key and ENC button on one side and a record button on the other, and USB Type-C port on the bottom. The receiver has a 3.5mm port for connecting it to the camera, power and a log button on one side, and an audio port as well as USB Type-C port on the other. Also, it can be attached to the camera using a hot shoe mount. On the front, it has a beautiful touchscreen display, a control wheel that doubles as a button, and a home key. You can choose between stereo, mono, and safety track modes, adjust the mic gain, turn on or off auto recording, auto off, and other settings. You can also use your phone as a speaker and choose from 3 equalizer presets for a different environment: hi-fi, low cut, and vocal boost. I like the fact that the entire kit is very compact, so it easily fits into your bag or even a pocket. The Lark Max comes in this nice protective case where you can also store cables and other accessories it comes with. The Lark Max utilizes a Max Timber mic technology, and I have to say that I'm really impressed with the audio quality both outdoors and indoors. The audio is clean, crisp, and natural without any artificial enhancements. For instance, I don't like when mics artificially add bass to my voice or add too much emphasis on highs like some Rode mics do. I would say this is one of the best audio I've heard from a wireless mic system in this price bracket. There are several ways to record audio. First of all, you can connect it to the camera, phone, or computer and record audio straight to the connected device, so audio and video are synced up automatically. I mostly use the Lark Max with my Sony a7S III, and I connected it via 3.5mm TRS cable. Second, you can record up to 14 hours of audio straight into the transmitter thanks to 8GB of internal storage. That means that you can use the Lark Max as an independent recording device for safety track, voiceovers, or capturing ambient sounds. To unload the audio files, simply connect it to the computer and the transmitter will be read as an external disk. There are several recording modes. The first one is the regular mode, suited for most situations. However, if you are in a noisy environment, there is ENC or Environmental Noise Cancelling mode that does a really good job cancelling ambient noise without distorting my voice too much. ENC or Environmental Noise Cancelling mode is not only useful outdoors but also indoors. For example, at the moment I'm recording this audio and video using ENC, Environmental Noise Cancelling mode, because I found that this feature does a pretty good job reducing echo and reverb in the room. This is not a very echoey room, but let me show you the difference between ENC and regular recording mode. So I just switched to the regular recording mode and I'm talking in front of the camera. 1 2 3 1 2 3, microphone check 1 2 1 2. This is the difference between ENC and regular recording mode. Again, ENC feature is turned on, microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2 1 2. So you can hear a difference. ENC mode reduces echo and reverb in the room, and this is another use case of this mode, not only using it outdoors but also indoors. Now let me show you how ENC mode works outdoors. This is regular sound recording mode. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. This is ENC, or Environmental Noise Cancelling Mode. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Regular mode. ENC mode. This is ENC test on the Hollyland Lark Max. So right now I'm recording audio using regular recording mode, and I'm standing by the street, so you can hear a little bit of background noise. So that was a regular sound recording mode. Right now we are at ENC, or Environmental Noise Cancelling Mode. This is ENC mode 1 2 3 1 2 3. ENC mode 1 2 3. Right now it's regular mode, and I'll be just walking. I'll be walking on snow, which makes quite a bit of noise, and probably my clothes make a little bit of rustling sound, I'm not sure. So this is a regular recording mode. I'm walking normally. Right now I just switched to ENC, or Environmental Noise Cancelling Mode. So this is a audio test 1 2 3 1 2 3. Another key feature, up to 250 meters of wireless range in the open field. In general, I don't really need this much range in my style of videos, but it's always nice to have that range reserve. This is my range test 1 2 3 1 2 3. Usually I never use the camera and the microphone in this range. I don't need this kind of range, but I know that there are quite a few situations for other scenarios where the range is needed, but not for my style of shooting. But it's always nice to have this amount of range, so you always feel confident that you'll never lose the signal. So this is pretty cool. So yeah, I didn't measure the distance between the camera and the microphone, but as you can see, I was quite far away, and I don't have that much distance to walk back to test full range capabilities, but I'm pretty sure you get the idea how capable this microphone is in terms of range and connectivity. So this is the microphone checker 1 2 1 2. Microphone checker 1 2 1 2. I just switched to ENC mode, so we can compare the sound. ENC on right now, and right now it's ENC off, and the range test is completed. Overall, the Hollyland Lark Max has been working flawlessly so far, and sound quality, ENC, ease of use, battery life, and multi-device compatibility are definitely my favorite features. To sum up, the market is flooded with wireless microphone systems, but I can easily recommend the Hollyland Lark Max as one of the best systems out there. Tell me in the comment section down below what you think about the Lark Max system. Would you buy this one, or would you choose another option? Also, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching, and see you soon.